Hi, my name is Amy Weber, and I am a clinical social worker and play therapist and parent coach and co founder of Speak, Learn, and Play. Welcome to Repair and Reconnect, What to Do When You Feel Disconnected. I am so glad you are here. Maybe you're watching this after a rough morning, a grocery store meltdown, or a day where nothing went according to plan. Perfect. You are in exactly the right place. Today, we are talking about something really important, and that is what to do when we feel disconnected from our kids. I want to start with a big truth. Disconnection is normal. It happens in every relationship. We all have moments when we snap, shut down, or say things that we wish we could take back. It's not about never messing up, it's about what we do next. And here's the good news: repair is where trust grows. The strongest relationships aren't built by avoiding mistakes, they're built by circling back, repairing, and reconnecting. So if you've had a tough moment with your child, take a deep breath. This is actually a chance to build something stronger. So, I want to talk about apologies. Some parents worry that apologizing will make them seem weak. And actually, it's the opposite. When you apologize, you are modeling humility, accountability, and emotional courage. You're showing your child that even grown-ups mess up and make it right. Here's what a good repair sounds like. I'm really sorry that I yelled. That wasn't fair to you. You didn't deserve that. Or I was feeling really stressed, but it's not your job to carry that. I'm working on it. Notice what's missing? Excuses? We're not doing no, but you were being difficult. It's honesty and ownership. And guess what? When you model this, your authority increases because your child sees you as real, safe, and trustworthy. So, how do you know when your child is craving connection? You want to look for these signs. They get clingy or super needy. They push boundaries more than usual. They act prickly or pick fights over small things. They withdraw or seem distant. Sometimes they don't say, I feel disconnected. Instead, they say, can you please notice me? Can you please remind me that we're okay? It's usually less than adorable behavior, right? When you see those signs, pause. They might not need another consequence. They might need connection. So, how do we rebuild the bridge after disconnection? Here are some simple reconnection tools: an honest, heartfelt apology, shared play or a silly game, physical touch, a hug, sitting close, folding hands, small pockets of one on one time, a little note in their backpack or lunchbox that says, I love you and I'm always on your team. Sometimes even a funny peace offering helps. Hey, do you want to have a rematch on our thumb war game? Or want to race me to the couch and see who wins? It doesn't have to be fancy or a big gesture. It just has to say, I see you, I still like you, and we're okay. So here's the heart of it: strong relationships aren't built on avoiding rupture, they're built on repair, reflection, and reconnection. Your goal is not to be a perfect parent. And spoiler alert, that's not even a real thing. Your goal is to be a parent who can circle back, say sorry, and lead with love. The moments when we come back together, those are the moments when we build trust for life. So, next time you feel disconnection creeping in, remember you can always repair, you can always reconnect. You are not behind, you are not disqualified, you are simply human. Thank you for being here, for caring enough to want to repair for your child, and for being the kind of parent who keeps showing up, even when it's hard. You're doing beautifully, truly.